We're down in the swamp, guys. This is what's up. We back again at it. But we got to keep the noise down, guys, while we walk, because these crabs are sensitive. They stay close to the hole. The rain been falling all day, and we got to just get to it. Wildlife. This is what's up. We're here with Jamaican Wildlife, Anthony Spearfishing, guys, and we outside, and we're in it. Anthony, two. We have one. We have one, Anthony. One, Anthony. Anthony. Three over here, Anthony. Here, Jamaican shore fishing. Two on yourself. Anthony just caught a mumpy look a while ago, guys. That's what's up. I had to just drop my bag a while ago, guys. You got him? Yeah, Anthony just got the third one. Hold on. One went that way. Wildlife. Over here, so. Over here, so wildlife. Round the palm tree here. Looking at them place there. Then there, so you fuck. Look here.
Actually something to like me, right?
Wildlife, look on that palm tree them. Just look on that palm tree them. One get the family look wild now, wildlife. You under here, so?
Okay, what's the name?
Eh? One more cloud. Okay. Yes, Anthony. Anthony spearfishing, guys. Getting busy. See me, wildlife. See me, Anthony. Anthony, see me. I'm gone, so look wild, Anthony. Eh? Come go, sir. Come. One gone, so look wild. See me, wildlife. See me.
Yeah, man, I'm big.
Come here, wildlife. Come in. See me, I'm holding.
Wait.
You hold him, wildlife? You have him?
Hold him?
Alright. Yeah, big boss. Yeah, wildlife. Why they hold him, guys? That's what's up, Jamaica Wildlife holding them, guys. That's what's going on. Nice to come on, P. First collection. Yeah. I hate that. Yeah, man, then they, man, I tell us around them palm tree, couple more palm trees down the line. We have one hole, we are good on up on the side.
Yeah.
And we know we are so good, you know. So we are roll through here, so brother, and just good on the line, look a bit and mash up some space. See him? We're at it, guys. Anthony Spearfishing and Jamaican shore fishing, guys. This is what's up. So one day you pass him right in front of you, Parry. Catch him now, Parry. Blood clot, wildlife, what are you doing up there, wildlife? No. Now let me tell you, say you have to look good, wildlife. You walk past them, brother. If you're on the water, one old hotel used to do over here, you see him? Yeah. One move, brother, walk. Look good enough, right here, so look good enough. Real good around here, so you know, dogs. Then we hide right at the tree root them. Jam him with the machete. Hey guys, so there, so with wildlife, guys. Just jam him quick. Alright, come in. Don't roll it. If you can't get a good jam behind him, it don't make no sense. Look across the water upon the log them. They will sit on top of the log. Wildlife. In here, so they love sit on top of the log them to avoid the water. So you have to look upon them on the tree them to all upon the tree they climb upon when water high in here.
Hmm? Yeah.
Here guys, we're on the hunt. We're making shore fishing, hunting spearfishing and Jamaica wildlife. Guys, link up, crab hunting, and around. Eh? Hold him. Wind it. Let me see him. Under your foot. Hold him. Let me grab him. Where? Oh, where? Underneath it?
Yeah.
Underneath the water? In the water?
Going deep, it's still a deep.
Fuck him. We can go on. We can go on. We can't reach it. Because that's a sink out.
Alright, look him later.
Yo, brother, we can't reach him. Wildlife just got something, guys. Let me turn the light on. Big wildlife just got a mumpy look wild, guys. That's what's up.
Nice, size one this one.
That's what's up, guys. Alright, bag him up. Let's get him out of here and let's get the next one. Wildlife strike another one, guys. Yeah, man, guys. Wildlife just struck another one, guys. Yeah, man. Nice little one, guys. We're about to move to the thing again, guys. We're about to go left and see if we can pick something else. We have a little pond going around here to the sea, so we'll walk the edge of that pond and see if we can pick something else up. Ah, see the palm tree there, man. This is a palm tree we are looking for. Come in. And palm tree roots, I look on the root them here. Huh? I ain't this over there, you know? Nothing? Maka. Oh, it's a dead end? Well, It look like somebody run through this grass, a wicked man. Wildlife. I said down here some bun out. Down here some bun out. I said down here some bun out. I'll go right in my way later on. Huh? Like midnight, 1 o'clock, and you come back. I see the mirrors and I see RV, see it look a while.